Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Wang. Today, I'll talk about anti-cancer effects of tomatoes and show you how to cook a tomato tofu stir-fry. Several large-scale research studies found eating tomatoes a few times a week could reduce the risk for men to have prostate cancer. Researchers also found that lycopene, which is the natural pigment that gives tomato its red color, is the major nutrient that plays the cancer-fighting role in tomatoes. Other red-colored fruits and vegetables also contain lycopene, but tomatoes are the best source for this nutrient. More importantly, lycopene in cooked tomato does a much better cancer-preventing job than fresh tomato or tomato juice, because cooked tomato have higher concentration of bioavailable lycopene that is much easier to be absorbed and used by our body. Now, let me show you how to cook a tomato tofu stir-fry that contains a lot of bioavailable lycopene. Tomato is wonderful cancer-fighting food. Include cooked tomato in your diet more often will reduce your risk of cancer. If you like what you see in this video, subscribe this video channel to get more cancer-fighting information and tips. Visit our website showing on the screen or scan this QR code with your mobile phone to read the research paper of the studies and get the cancer-fighting recipes. Enjoy the tomato tofu stir-fry. See you next time!